Oracle Groovy and Dynamic Attribute Handling. In this video, we'll explore how Groovy scripting helps us move beyond static metadata and enables dynamic, intelligent business rules in Oracle EPM. Our focus will be on using Groovy to make calculations more flexible, scalable, and business-driven. Here's what we'll cover in this session. We'll begin with a quick overview of Oracle Groovy in the EPM ecosystem. Then, we'll understand what base member attributes are and why static attribute usage creates challenges. After that, we'll deep dive into the getAttributeValue method, followed by practical and advanced use cases. Finally, we'll look at why this skill is important for EPM professionals and where you can learn more.
Oracle Groovy is a powerful scripting language used within Oracle EPM business rules. It allows developers and consultants to write dynamic, condition-based logic that responds to metadata and data at runtime. Compared to traditional calc scripts, Groovy offers more flexibility, better readability, and advanced control over business logic. Member attributes are descriptive properties attached to dimension members. They help classify members based on business meaning, such as account type, region category, or product classification. Attributes are commonly used to drive reporting, filtering, validations, and calculation logic across EPM applications. In many implementations, attributes are used in a static way. This means logic is hard-coded based on fixed attribute values. When business requirements change, rules need to be rewritten, tested, and redeployed, which increases maintenance effort and the risk of errors. The getAttributeValue method allows us to retrieve attribute values dynamically during rule execution. Instead of relying on hard-coded logic, we can read attribute values at runtime and apply business rules accordingly. This approach makes our rules more flexible, reusable, and metadata-driven. Technically, getAttributeValue reads the attribute value of a specific dimension member. The method executes at runtime, meaning it always reflects the latest metadata configuration. Once retrieved, the attribute value can be used in conditions, loops, or calculations within the Groovy rule. Let's consider a practical scenario. Suppose we have an account dimension with an attribute that defines whether an account is revenue, expense, or balance sheet. Using getAttributeValue, a single Groovy rule can dynamically apply different calculation logic based on the account type, eliminating the need for multiple rules. In advanced scenarios, getAttributeValue enables dynamic control over data intersections. Based on attribute values, the rule can decide which dimension combinations should be calculated or ignored. This leads to optimized performance, reduced calculation volume, and more precise business logic. Dynamic attribute handling significantly optimizes business rules. It reduces the number of rules required, improves performance, and makes logic easier to maintain. Most importantly, it allows rules to adapt automatically as metadata evolves, without frequent redevelopment. When logic is driven by metadata rather than hard-coded values, data integrity improves. Business rules remain aligned with dimension changes, reducing the risk of incorrect calculations. This approach strengthens governance, consistency, and trust in financial and planning data. For EPM professionals, mastering Groovy and dynamic attribute handling is a valuable skill. It differentiates you from traditional calc script developers and positions you as an advanced EPM consultant. These skills are increasingly demanded in modern planning and FCCS implementations. To continue learning, we've created a complete Oracle Groovy video playlist. It covers concepts from beginner to advanced levels with real-world examples and best practices. This playlist is ideal for anyone looking to strengthen their Groovy skills in Oracle EPM. To conclude, static rules are no longer sufficient for today's dynamic business needs. By leveraging getAttributeValue in Groovy, you can build agile, scalable, and intelligent EPM solutions. Thank you for watching, and I encourage you to explore Groovy further to unlock its full potential.